Hi, today we are going to have a look at how we can utilize the Google Calendar feature integrated inside the Google Classroom. So first of all, let's open the Google Classroom tab on your browser, and on the top left corner of your screen, you can see a little button there. Click on that, and then it will come up with a menu and select Calendar from there. Then you will be redirected to the calendar page, and as you can see, by default it will select all of your classes and show all the works that you need to submit, and it will give you a week preview. You can change the week by clicking on these little arrows on both sides, and you can also select a particular class. For example, let me select a particular class, and then you can see the assignments that I need to complete for that task, and it will organize everything according to the due date. If you click on any of your assignment, and then it will redirect you to that particular assignment tab. So that was it for today. Thank you so very much.